Hello guys. Welcome back to my video. In this particular, we're continuing our series in the hyperrealism portrait of how to paint hyperrealism portrait. And this particular part of the series in this video, I'm going to be talking to you about how to paint tattoos on your subject. Now, the trick about painting tattoos on your subject is you are going to use a curvature method. When it's not so much that you were actually painting these symbolisms and motifs on the tattoos on the skin, because if you do that, paint in a way in which it actually, I'm going to paint this tattoo, just going to place it on the skin, it's going to be almost like a sticker. It's not, whereas the tattoo belongs with the skin. It actually is a part of the skin. It's going to be curvature. It's going to be convex. It's not going to be like this flat picture surface. And so one of the ways of doing that, as you can see here, you have to stretch the image across the surface of the skin. For example, for the star, you have to stretch it to they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points at which you're going to stretch and really use a curvature. So that curvature method is what it does. It enables for you, the viewer,
can you wait just a moment, honey?
And it registers to the viewer that this tattoo is really part of the skin. It's like, it's very a level of believability. It's definitely a level of believability that's going on, and it's like not like the sticker that's just kind of thrown out there. It's motif and whatnot. It really belongs with the surface of the flesh itself. So as you can see here, what I'm doing with the light and shadow, what I've done, I'm actually creating like a dark line area around the convex inward point of the star on the right hand side. I'm creating my dark line around the star, and then what I'm going to be doing, what I do right at that linear point at the shadow, the dark point, is that I'm creating a light space, a blending. So what I'm going to take this light space and the dark space is blending it together. I'm going to use a blending method so that it has a you see this graduation of dark all the way to light, dark to light, which creates the illusion of the tattoo coming, just really that tattoo is there, that it belongs with the skin. It's part of the flesh. So that's one of my methodologies or tricks that I actually I'm learning to use with using with tattoos. And as you can see what I'm doing with the blending that area in, and like it's becoming more and more, it's solidifying. And so that's one of the ways that you really have to target. And if you're painting people who have tattoos or wear tattoos, you use that type of methodology, and it helps out a great deal. I know it helps me. So I hope this has been very helpful to you with the tattoo period, and I will actually see you guys in the next video. See you soon. Hi, thanks guys for stopping by and seeing my wonderful, awesome tutorials. I love to see you guys again. Thank you for liking and subscribing my channel and the videos. You can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and also there's my official website at zinkia.com. If you want to buy any type of new art deals, any drawings, paintings, they're all there for you to see. It will follow you over there just follow it over to the square.com website where you can actually buy and make purchases of everything. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you next time. Bye. Peace out.